Hi, my name is Mrs. Stiles and I'm here to talk to you about the A-level accounting course. So, what is accounting? Now, they say accounting is the language of business, but why do they say that? Now, I want you to answer this question. What do all businesses have in common, regardless of how big or how small? What industry they work in? What do they all share? Now, they all share the same goal, and that goal is to make a profit. To tell. And they tell this story through the financial statements. And that's something that we accountants do. We take the financial information from a company, we record it, we analyse it so we can understand it, and then we process it so that people who run the companies know how much profit or how much loss they've made. And we can also look at things like whether the company owes money to outsiders or whether people owe money to the company. And it's also important to answer certain questions, such as, is the business doing well? Can they expand? Have they got enough money to grow? How much debt do they owe? Can they even pay their employees? Now, in the first year of the course, we will be looking at preparing these financial statements. We look at preparing the income statement, which is also known as profit and loss, and also of the statement of financial position, really solely on sole traders and limited companies. And later on, we will learn skills in order to help us with the all-important decision-making of businesses. Now, in year 2, we will develop our techniques that we have learned in year 1, and we will study further the financial statements, but this time of partnerships and a little bit more on limited companies. And then later on in the year, we will also look further into developing our knowledge and understanding of management accounting and the all-important decision-making process. But why study accounting? Now, as an accountant, there are many opportunities available to you. There are various apprenticeships in accounting roles, and for those who are keen to go to university, statistics actually show that 90% of these will secure jobs within 6 months of graduating. There are plenty of opportunities for career progression, and let's not forget that all businesses, regardless of what industry you work in, will always need to use accountants or financial people. So, some important skills needed for an accountant. How are your numerical skills? Now, maths does form the entire basis of the profession, but it's about the understanding and about how or what you've worked at and why, and being able to spot mistakes. Are you good at time management? It's important to be organised because actually sometimes you might have to do several jobs all at once. How about your communication skills? This is a really important skill regardless of what profession you work in. It's important to be professional, report on the findings, and be able to communicate with a variety of people at different levels. And it's really, really important about the attention to detail. Now, about the course. The course is you will have 9 lessons a fortnight, and they will be split between me, which I will teach you 6, and Mr. Hamling, which will teach you 3 lessons. Now, what you need a grade 4 in English and a grade 5 in maths. And there will be, at the end of the course, 2 written exams, each 3 hours long, and each will have 3 sections. Now, them sections are split into, the first part would be multiple choice, but the second 2 sections are higher end questions that are sort of 20 mark questions. Now, if this is you're interested, then please, any questions, contact myself on tst@ifieldcc.co.uk. But thank you for listening,